Did it just die? Fine, 310 it is.
Central West Virginia and Northern West Virginia, including the following counties: in Central West Virginia, Braxton.
That's not central.
In Central West Virginia, Webster.
Oh, it's one of those
In
things.
Northern West Virginia, Barber, Harrison, Lewis, and Upshur. Wet until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the Warren area.
Handheld, but now I'm using my crank because my Radio Shack one of the batteries are half dead in it.
Other locations that will experience flood include Buckhannon, Weston, Philippine, Sutton, Otter State Park, Stonewall Jackson, Rock Cave, Jacksonville, Burnsville, Lost Creek, Jane Lou, Fleetwoods, Horner, Walkersville, Lawrence, French Creek, Ireland, San Run.
Well, it says central twice, but the counties are wrong.
Flood safety information can be
Webster is
found at
northeastern.
weather.gov/safety/flood.
It glitches out sometimes.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Yeah, we know this.
Most of the flood deaths are current vehicles. Report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in West Virginia, Barber, Harrison, Lewis, and Upshur. Please report severe.
Jocelyn?
This is an aerial flood warning issued at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Flood warning in effect until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? Portions of Central West Virginia, and Northern West Virginia, including the following counties: in Central West Virginia, Braxton.
Yeah, that's north
In
central.
Central West Virginia, Webster.
That's northeastern.
In Northern West Virginia, Barber, Harrison, Lewis, and Upshur.
Bless you.
When? Until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the Warren area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Buckhannon, Weston, Philippine, Sutton, Otter State Park, Stonewall Jackson, Rock Cave, Jacksonville, Burnsville, Lost Creek, Jane Lou, Fleetwoods, Horner, Walkersville, Lawrence, French Creek, Ireland, San Run, Camden, and Come Ahead. Flood safety information can be found at weather.gov/safety/flood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in West Virginia, Barber, Harrison, Lewis, and Upshur.
Anybody run your site? station from WWLW because of the bad quality.
In northern West Virginia, Barber, Harrison, Lewis, and Upshur.
Yeah, Mr. Bennett?
In Talcott,
That's how weather alerts through FM radio work, is it's originates at the weather radio station and then it kind of goes through a daisy chain of stuff. Although ideally every station monitors weather band, but clearly this station pulled it from 106.5.
elevated gauges indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain has fallen. Areal flooding. Altex, Jackson, Burnsville, Falls Creek, Janesville, Flatwoods, Horner, Walkersville, Lawrence, French Creek, Ireland, San Run, Camden, and Coonhead. Flood safety information can be found at weather.gov/safety/flood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in West Virginia: Barber, Harrison, Lewis, and Upshur.
Sale at Performance Chevrolet. PerformanceChevyWB.com on the Beverly 5 lane.
Here's the Metro News AccuWeather forecast. Rain and thunderstorms this afternoon. High of 70. Rain at times tonight as well. There can be small hail and a little thunder and a low of 51. And cooler day tomorrow. Occasional rain and drizzle and high 57. Sunday will be mostly cloudy. High on Sunday 58. For weather anytime, download the AccuWeather app. For Metro News, I'm Holly Holdren.
Hey, is Carrie Underwood?
Oh geez, a fourth relay.
Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. When you can do so safely. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in West Virginia: Barber, Harrison,
Hey, Pam,
Yes.
I have a question. What's this thing say on the screen right now?